Hello everyone, welcome back to Select by Pinkvilla. Today I bring you the most creative segment of First Impressions. Today I'll be trying this underrated yet so attractive product, which is Makeup Revolution Relove Water-activated eyeliner. So they launched this product in India a while ago, and the price of this product is Rs. 599. So look at the packaging, it's pretty cute, basic and easy to carry, and it also comes with a tip applicator. This is such a small brush, okay. Also, it is vegan and cruelty free, so we know it's safe for the eyes. This eyeliner comes in split shades and it has two beautiful colors together. They have 6 different shades you can select as per your mood. The one I have is in the shade Double Up. This is giving me such a Two Broke Girls vibe. I love that show. This product claims to be intensely pigmented, easy to use and smudge proof. We'll see about that. Honestly, I can't wait to try this eyeliner. So without further delay, let's start. We are going to dip the brush inside the water because we don't have to spray the whole water inside that packaging because it can spoil the product. I'm going to create an aesthetic graphic eyeliner look using both the shades and do something creative. So I'm taking the yellow shade first for my basic eyeliner. I think it's because of the brush. I can't see the shade. The yellow shade is not visible on my eyelids. I think I'll try the red one. I don't like the yellow one. I can't see anything. It's not pigmented at all. I hope the red shade is pigmented. Fingers crossed. Okay, the red one is pretty pigmented comparing the yellow one. I think I'll give this yellow one more chance and use a different brush because I think the brush is not working for me. This one is quite smooth and this one looks patchy and cakey on my eyelids. I don't understand how the texture of the product is different. It is the same product, but there is something different in these shades. Although I'm not happy with the yellow shade, but I need to complete my look. I was supposed to do a flower aesthetic look. I had a really hard time applying this eyeliner. Look at the small flower. It took me around 5-10 minutes, this one single flower. I don't think it's worth spending 600 rupees on this small palette, although the red one was good enough. But for one shade, I am not going to spend that much money. This is not worth it. It's weird how the textures are very different of the product. The red one is super smooth. You can literally see the yellow one looks like a powder or something on my eyelids. Pigmentation, red one, okay-ish. The yellow, zero. Easy to use? Not at all. It was not easy to use. Smudge proof test. Let's try that. Oh god. The yellow one is totally gone. The red one is still there. I told you guys, something is different. I'm not happy with the brush. I had to use my own brush. It was not comfortable to use this brush because it is very thick, and you know, thick brushes are not good for eyeliners. So I had to use my own brush. Also, the product is very drying. I had to dip the brush again and again in the water because as soon as I was applying the eyeliner, it was already dried. So, not good. I would not recommend this product. It is a waste of money. So this was it for today's episode. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any products in mind, comment down below and we will be back with your request.